Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. We can check the battery level on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display the battery level, basically the information. If you don't see the battery level on the watch face, you can also do it by swiping up on the screen to open the widget panel, and here we have, as you can see, the battery level. And you can also open the control panel by tapping, by going back to watch face and pressing and holding the lower button. And once you open the control panel and swipe down on the screen, you will see the battery level right here. And of course, once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.